Number 70, Home on the Range. This song gets stuck in my head for days and I wake up singing it. I say, Home on the Range. A great American cowboy song. I'm curious if the Cowboys ever actually sang this or we just did it in honor of them. I have to look up. Okay, so we're in 3/4. We are also in G major, so we have the low 2 on the A and the E, high 2 on the G and the D. We're starting with the pickup note. They stole it from the last measure, and we have our rhythms with our dotted quarter notes and our eighth notes. We have eighth notes in there, sets of them. We have a fermata in the last line and a ritardando at the end, and a whole bunch of rests in there as well. Please play your rests. It will throw you off, and then you will be more comfortable playing your rests when you're playing with others as well. So let's go through, let's pluck through it. Pretend that we're having a bow. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. D, D, G, A, B, G, F, E. Low 2. C, 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 B, C, D, G, 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 F, G, A, 2, 3. Rest, rest. D, D, G, A, B. Low 2. C, 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 B, A, G, F, G, 4. G, 2, 3. Rest, 2, 3. 2, 3. Low 2. A, B, 2, 3. Rest and 2. And G, 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 F, G, A, 2, 3. Rest, rest. D, G, A, B, 2. And E, low 2. Hang out. C, C, B, A, G, F, G, 4. 2, 3, 1. All right, let's do it that bow. Make it super dramatic because why not? A bow D. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. One, two. One, two, three. 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 2, and 2 and okay, so there's one more thing I do want to talk to you guys about for intonation purposes. During that really long rest that we have in the fourth line, put all your fingers down on that D string. Don't wait till the last second to throw them all down. And when you do that, put all 3 down and get that second finger low. Now, when I'm going from my E to my C natural, just in that third full measure, C, E, E, E. I'm leaving my first finger down on my D string, and instead of putting it on my D string, I'm just shifting it over. I'm using my first finger as a reference point, as if it were on the B string, but I'm just on the A string as a B. And so I'm just using it as a reference point to go over to that, and it will really help you a ton. Prep yourself and look ahead, and everything will fall into place.